Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a simple and quick beef seekh kabab in pan with homemade kabab spices, which is absolutely delicious and easy to cook. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make this recipe. For this recipe, I have taken half kilo of beef cubes. To this, I am adding 4 green chillies, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half cup of both mint and coriander leaves, give all these ingredients a nice mix. Add this to a blender, grind well to a fine paste. This is how it should be, nice and soft. Transfer the beef mixture to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Knead this for about 3 to 4 minutes to get everything well combined. Now wet your hand in water, take a good amount of beef mince, put it on the skewers, gently shape it to a cylindrical shape. Into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and place the kababs. Cook them on all sides. This will take around 15 minutes. Beef seekh kabab is done. Transfer it to a plate. You can also store this in the freezer up to a month using a freezer-friendly storage box. It's so tender and juicy, give it a go. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.